Hello friends! Today we will install full version of Driver Booster easily. So let's get started. Usually Driver Booster Pro costs $29.95 per year. But you can get full version by clicking the link in the description. Don't worry about safety. All software is pre-tested, scanned with multiple antiviruses, and confirmed working by our community. Just go to the site, follow the instructions, and download the file. By the way, you'll find tons of other premium software available for free on the same site. Everything is working and tested for functionality before being posted. Just click on the site thumbnail to explore. Unzip the archive using the password from the site, and your Driver Booster Pro is ready to go. Now, let me show you how amazing everything works. With Driver Booster Pro, you get the ultimate driver management experience without any limitations. Everything works flawlessly, from automatic driver updates to system optimization and game performance boosting. Here are the main advantages of Driver Booster Pro. Database of over 8 million drivers. Update all outdated, missing, or faulty drivers with one click. Automatic driver updates. Schedule scans and updates to run in the background while you work or sleep. Game-ready drivers. Optimize your system for the latest games with specialized gaming drivers. Offline driver updater. Update drivers without internet connection for network cards, Wi-Fi, and more. Driver backup and restore. Create restore points before updates and rollback if needed. 100% faster download speeds. Pro servers deliver drivers at maximum speed. Fix common Windows issues. Automatically resolve sound problems, network errors, and device failures. Game Boost technology. One-click optimization stops unnecessary processes for smoother gaming. Priority updates. Get the newest, most stable drivers before free users. Silent mode. Updates install quietly without interrupting your work or gaming. Auto download when idle. Downloads only when your PC isn't busy. Hardware information. Detailed specs about your CPU, GPU, motherboard, and more. Windows Update components. Installs essential Microsoft Visual C++, .NET Framework, XNA Framework, and DirectX. Best of all, this version is completely clean. No malware, no minors. Just the full Pro version working exactly like the official one. The Pro version also includes update drivers for over 1,000 gaming components for better FPS, fix no sound, bad resolution, and network failure issues automatically, boost system performance by cleaning junk files and optimizing RAM, priority technical support available 24/7, no ads or promotional pop-ups, unlimited driver downloads per day. Protect your PC from hardware failures, system crashes, and security vulnerabilities. You could use the trial version instead, but you'll face major limitations. Only 3 driver updates per day, slow download speeds that take forever, no automatic updates so you must do everything manually, no driver backup feature risking system instability, annoying ads and constant upgrade reminders, no game optimization tools, or pay $30 every year. That's $150 over 5 years just to keep your drivers updated. Think about it. Outdated drivers cause 80% of Windows crashes and performance issues. One wrong driver can make your system unstable, cause blue screens, or make devices stop working entirely. You can find Driver Booster Pro and other premium software on the site. Link in the pinned comment below. We update our collection weekly with Driver Easy, Driver Genius, Driver Max, and more system tools. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and ring the notification bell for new releases. Check out our other videos for more amazing software. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Driver Booster Pro.